love it. All right, this is our second install of the day. We're just putting our templates up, checking how they fit. The customers are really cool. That makes all the difference in the world. They've let us pull the truck right up front, and you guys know as well as I do, some customers can be quite buttholes about stuff like that. But as you can see, I'm standing inside the house. Our truck's right there. That saves you hours on any job. And then we've got the small bathrooms here. It's the Rainforest Green, Rainforest Brown, I'm sorry. This is the large bathroom vanity, and it's going to be an awesome job. The customer has painted the cabinets where they're going to match really well. And as soon as I walked in, I noticed the decoration she has here with the lizards and stuff. They're going to match this stone so good. That's the main reason I'm doing the video, because everything's going to come together so good on this job. Alright, so the levelness of the cabinets is always important on a job, guys. And from what I'm seeing right now, these look very, very good. Now this side over here, it sits higher than that side, but it's not really too much. As far as I'm concerned, both sides of the cabinets look pretty good as far as level goes. So that's a plus. So anytime I've got a fragile stone, I typically don't drill the faucet holes at the shop. If it's quartz or a stronger material, I will drill the faucet holes at the shop, but there's just so much more of a chance of it breaking if you do it on marble or softer material. So we're going to drill these here. They're all one-hole faucets, but the main reason I wanted to talk about the faucet holes on this one is they make different style bits for different stones. You have your regular bits for granite. They make a quartzite bit, which will go through the quartzite a lot faster, trust me. And then they make this marble bit for marble. Those of you that haven't done it a lot, you may not believe it, but when you drill the marble with regular bits or quartzite bits or anything like that, it chips a lot. It chips around it, and you may chip bigger than the faucet will cover. So I've started always using this marble bit, and I just wanted Tony to record so that you could kind of see how this marble bit cuts through here. It does a really good job. Let me put my mask on here. All right. That's it, guys. That little bit of struggle at the end there was the mesh on the bottom, but of course you want to take your vacuum and clean all that up. Normally we would have Tony holding the vacuum while I cut, but I wanted to show you guys this, so we didn't on this one, but just want to show you that. I'll show you the next thing we run into. Alright guys, I've tried to refrain from cutting in the customer's home as much as possible. There's just some cases we don't have a choice, we have to. So as you can see, I've got the cutout lined out. I went ahead and put one of my cooktop bags inside the cabinet of the sink cabinet here. What that'll do is catch any debris, and it'll keep that dust from getting all in the cabinets and all that. Plus, I've got this little fan here. We open the window behind it and we'll turn that fan on, so hopefully any that's missed by the vacuum will be grabbed by the fan and pulled out the window. We'll be running this little vacuum here with Tony holding it. And you know, we'll just do our best. Of course, we'll have a little cleanup afterwards, but you still want to try to respect the customer's home and do everything you can to catch all the dust you can. All right, guys, we finished the job. This is the bathroom. This is the other bathroom. And this is the kitchen here. Everything's done, cleaned up. Turned out real good. I went through, you know, any major issues that we had with you guys. The job went pretty smooth. The cabinets were super level. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. The customers were very nice, awesome to deal with. So that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one.